Yeah, hi all. Just doing a walk today with my wife, staying at the caravan park here in Bright, and yeah, we'll just see how things go. It's the Ovens River here. There was a lot of rain the last couple of days, so she's running pretty hard, but it has come down a bit and the water is a bit cleaner than what I thought. So yeah, the opportunity's there definitely to catch something. We'll see how we go. Cheers. Beauty. My first trout in the Ovens River. Lovely trout.
Did you keep that?
Nah. Tim. Oh, just let him go. Beautiful little fish. There you go. Off he goes. Oh, another fish. Oh. Looks like a brown this time. Got a nice fish. Oh, just on the lip. I didn't bring a net with me. I'll see how I go. Oh, got him. It's a beautiful brown trout. Look at that. It's the second one so far. I'm just doing a walk with my wife, and I thought I'd take the rod, and look at that. That's a big, lovely trout. Oh, I'll just let him go. Off you go. On again. Looks like another brown. A nice fish. Ooh, it's just on the top lip. Gee, they're nice and chunky. Look at that. That is a really nice brown. Get him over here. Bang. Got him. Whoop. Maybe not. It's hard. Oh. Here it comes. Alright, get out of the water. Got him. There we go. Got to be happy with that. Gee, the Ovens River's really turned it on. Like, I didn't bring a net with me, but that's not entirely true because I'm doing a walk with my wife and her name is Annette, so I did bring a net. Anyway, that's just a corny joke for today, but yeah, we'll let this guy go. Thank you. Alright, I'm just casting here. It's a new spot. See how we go. I've got the indicator in. Oh, there we go. Oh. Oh, she's fighting good. It looks like another, oh, no, it's a rainbow this time. Like I said, I don't have a net, so it might come off, but I'll just flick him onto the bank if I can. Here we go. Happy days. There we go. Nice rainbow. So there you go. There we go. Thank you. Another fish. There's a bit of current here, so just have to play him slowly. Whoa, whoa, whoa. There he is. Oh. There we go. Lovely little rainbow. There you go. Little rainbow. And let him go. There we go. Yeah, just walking across a bridge while we're doing our walk. It's a lovely day. The river's beautiful. Look at that. That's a lovely place. Well, I can see there's a bit of a drop here after this run, so I'm thinking there might be some trout sitting in that slower water there. So let's see how we go. I'll just get this camera. Oh, hopefully that's good. So I'm going to do like a back cast here. There we go. Going in. Alright. So we're in that slower water. Nothing yet. Oh, let's try again. Nothing. Let's try here. Right there, I think. Surely. Got to be one in there. No. No, nothing. Yeah, just threw my line in and got this. What's it? The rainbow. There we go. Oh. There we go. This nice rainbow. Just in here where the water's a little bit softer. Oh, let him go. There you go, buddy. Off he goes. A bit of slow water here. I would expect something to be in here. Nothing. onto a fish here. I was actually pulling the line out of the water, and he took it on the rise. It's like another, what's that, a rainbow by the looks of it, yeah. Alright, I'm just going to flick him up onto the bank. Here we go. There we are. Look at that. Nice, beautiful rainbow. Oh, spots, lots of spots on him. Yeah, we'll let him go. There you go, buddy. Off he goes. Happy days. Well, hi all. Thanks for watching that video. It was an amazing session. I just didn't have my net, didn't have my waders on, just walking the bank with my wife. I've never fished the ovens before, so I didn't really know what to expect. So yeah, it was a really good session. The fish were mainly where the water was running a bit slower. I really enjoyed it. It was really a really pleasant day out in the water with my wife, and yeah, I just didn't expect all those fish. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I'm going fishing tomorrow with my waders and all the gear, so hopefully I'll have a better session tomorrow. I'll see how I go. I'm going upstream, so I'll see how that pans out. So yeah, once again, thanks for watching, and God bless. Bye.